In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two boards and mirror information between them. To get started, open the board you want to connect from. This is the board where you want the relationship to begin, so make sure you're in the right place before making any changes. If your workflow depends on information from another board, connecting them can help you keep everything organized and easier to manage without constantly switching back and forth. Once you're inside the correct board, add the Connect Boards column. This column is what creates the link between one board and another, allowing items on both sides to be associated with each other. It's especially useful when you're tracking related tasks, projects, clients, or any records that need to stay connected across different boards. After adding that column, choose the board you want to connect to. Take a moment here to select the correct destination board because this is where the linked information will come from. If you have several similar boards, it's worth double checking the name so you don't accidentally connect the wrong one. A clean connection at this stage will make the rest of the setup much smoother. Next, link the correct item from the other board. In other words, select the specific entry that matches the item you're working on in your current board. This is the actual relationship you're creating. Accuracy matters here because the mirrored information later will depend on this connection being correct. If you want to display details from that connected item directly in your current board, add a mirror column. The mirror column lets you pull in information from the linked board so you can see important details without opening the other board manually. This is a great way to keep your board informative while reducing repetitive updates. Once the mirror column is added, select the column data you want to mirror. Choose the exact field you want displayed, such as status, dates, numbers, or other key details. Think about which information will be most useful to view at a glance, since the goal is to make your board more efficient and easier to understand. Finally, save your setup and confirm the board connection works. Check that the linked item appears correctly and that the mirrored data is displaying as expected. If everything looks right, your boards are now successfully connected. This kind of setup can save time, improve visibility, and help keep your work consistent across multiple boards.